Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about navigating supply chain risks with confidence. Supply chain risk refers to potential disruptions, uncertainties, and vulnerabilities that can negatively impact the production, distribution, or delivery of goods and services within a supply chain. These risks can arise from various sources and can have adverse effects on an organization's operations, financial stability, reputation, and customer satisfaction. Here are key details about supply chain risk. Supply chain risk encompasses the likelihood and impact of disruptions or uncertainties that affect the efficient flow of products, information, and finances within a supply chain network. Types of supply chain risks. Supplier risk. Risks related to the performance, reliability, or stability of suppliers, including financial instability, quality issues, or geopolitical factors affecting supplier locations. Demand risk. Risks associated with uncertainties in customer demand, changing market preferences, or inaccurate demand forecasting that may lead to overstocking or stockouts. Logistics and transportation. Risks arising from disruptions in transportation, delays, infrastructure issues, or geopolitical events affecting the movement of goods and materials. Operational risk. Risks stemming from internal operational failures, such as breakdowns in manufacturing, inventory management, or order processing systems. Regulatory and compliance risk. Risks related to non-compliance with industry regulations, trade restrictions, or changes in laws that impact supply chain operations. Financial risk. Risks related to financial stability, credit availability, currency fluctuations, interest rates, or payment delays within the supply chain. Impact of supply chain risk. Financial loss. Increased costs due to supply disruptions, additional inventory holding, or production delays can impact profitability. Reputational damage. Supply chain failures can damage a company's reputation, erode customer trust, and affect brand value. Operational disruption. Disruptions in the supply chain can halt production, delay delivery, and affect business continuity. Customer dissatisfaction. Supply chain issues can lead to delays in fulfilling customer orders, affecting customer satisfaction and loyalty. Risk assessment and mitigation. Identifying and assessing supply chain risks to understand their potential impact and likelihood of occurrence. Developing mitigation strategies, contingency plans, and alternate sourcing options to minimize the impact of disruptions. Implementing robust risk monitoring and early warning systems to detect potential issues and respond promptly. Resilience and adaptability. Building a resilient supply chain that can quickly adapt to changes, recover from disruptions, and maintain operations during adverse events. Diversifying suppliers, transportation routes, and storage facilities to reduce dependency on a single source. Collaboration and visibility. Collaborating closely with suppliers, partners, and stakeholders to enhance transparency, share information, and collectively manage risks. Utilizing technology and data analytics to gain real-time visibility into the supply chain and proactively identify vulnerabilities. Effectively managing supply chain risks is essential for organizations to maintain a competitive edge, ensure business continuity, and enhance overall resilience in a rapidly changing global business environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.